Hello everybody, we are doing hair restoration on a very handsome client of ours. This is going to be his third treatment. He is now also somebody who has had surgery for his hair restoration previously. He did hair transplants from in the back. On the top of all of this hair is transplanted, and when we saw him, you couldn't even see much hair. You could see his scalp right through and through, and even the top of the hair, which is like completely transplanted, was like you couldn't see much hair. You just would see scalp. I like to give him some PRP treatment in the top of his hair because I just like him to be just more hairy over here. Most of the injections that we give are given by like a very tiny needle. It doesn't I'd like to think that it hurts less, but yes, there's some burning pain that people tell us that they feel. Beautiful. That's it. He's done. We are going to let him lay down for a little while after getting all these shots and everything. And I would ask him not to wash his hair today, not to take a bath today. Tomorrow he'll be good to do whatever he wants. We give him again the hairspray that has some ingredients that we want him for his hair restoration, and that's pretty much it.